Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I make one video this yesterday, about Phyna and the sister went by. And for that video, I let everybody know say Phyna they distracted a bit to explain herself to a very dark man. Now why some of all this dragging up and down instead of concentrating on how to take care of the sister first happen. Now coming up to the internet again, I don't see some dragging again. I don't know when Nigeria youths will go dey focus. But in a bit to explain myself, I don't want insult anybody, neither do I want to take side. But here's my honest opinion and what I think. Now, before we go continue, I say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I greet all of you according to our time and our location, and according to where you dey listen to us from today. So, guys, now I see some dragging, two dragging I won't take seriously from wetin dey inside the internet. One, Phyna baby papa. Second one, people they drag Phyna. Say that picture when she take the hospital bed, na location picture, na Nollywood picture. Say currently, Phyna not the hospital. She did Asaba, the film. Now, again, one movie producer, when they call Stanley, or I don't know the name, now I come out, I see the video when it say Phyna de Asaba. I don't even read the contents of that particular word. Waiting they talk, I not read them. I just read the caption when it say Phyna is not in the hospital. She's even in a location in Asaba filming. Meaning say she not even care whether the sister don't buy or not. That one and one. Then the second one, now the baby papa. Now, I don't go deep down. I don't go easy obede. I don't read cutie juice. I don't read other blogs. And the baby papa, they say they sideline am. I no wan post am here because of some guidelines, and I no wan make person say I carry their content. And according to those messages when they screenshots, the baby papa say they no gree make him see Phyna sister for reason best known to them. Now, before we go proceed to that producer, when say Phyna de Asaba dey shoot, I want me we first talk of the baby father. Hello, baby father. Good day to you. If they deny you access to go see Phyna's sister, the family have their own reasons why they did that. But then, I not blame them. Yeah, I not blame them. Why I not blame them? You get first belle, she born the belle, according to information I get from the internet. That child is 5 years old. Now, the girl can stop school. Phyna can't pay for the girl to go back to school again. Sharpshooter, boom. You give her another belly again. She dey stay with you. I don't know how that story works, but it's out there in the internet. And everybody knows that the way that they put her. Now, I can't read message. For that message, when dear baby father tell the chat with Phyna, you go see say he and Phyna they catch up, they laugh, that there was not issue or nothing. Then I can't come up again, I can't see one man. I think I will put it up there, yeah. Make I put the man up there, make una read am. Then we continue. The man say Phyna baby father, na person when they up doing plenty talk when he talk. Now, the girl get pikin for you. Let's say, okay, not be even the 5 years old. The girl, it take a woman 9 months to carry a child before she's been delivered of that child. You not go see her family, you not go see anybody, then who exactly are you now? Because if person talk now, they go say, person don't insult person. You not pay bride price for your head. Now the virtue of say she carry belle for you, now you take it. If you couldn't come to the family when this girl was alive, you couldn't come to the family say, na me give her belle. I beg any I be, may we do small thing. Small, may they know say na me dey. You couldn't do all of that. Suddenly the girl don't RIP, you don't come. Based on say they won't pay compensation money and been waiting. That is my honest opinion. If you couldn't go to her family when she was alive, then who are you to her now? Boyfriend or girlfriend? You are nothing to the family. That is just the plain truth. Nothing to the family, you get. So, If people dey talk that they drag Phyna, the least when you go do now to sit down for corner to dey find solution. Because I no wan go into other details of how now you drop that girl for school. Now you suppose come pick her up, but you not show up. She come enter bike before she get that. So make we not even go into that one. Now, secondly, to that producer when say Phyna dey Asaba dey shoot. No matter how person dey heartless, no matter how the person gets koi for head reach, not be when the sister go take by because of money, she go location. So all these on her talk, they're not clear. What I think we should be doing right now how to shock Dangote to come take responsibility, to come meet the demand. This now the time when everybody go come together to say, no, what you did is wrong. You couldn't take this girl to a good proper, you not fit fly am abroad upon all the money when you get. This girl spent weeks in the hospital, at least 2 weeks in the hospital before she RIP. Dangote Group no fit fly this girl go abroad. Now the time for Nigeria youth, I think, to come out. Now the real justice for root supposed to start. But you know what? We no go fit come outside. When we come outside, they go throw tear gas. When you come outside, they go arrest you. And as they arrest you, nobody go check on you. So how do you think these people will take us serious? Some say cancel Dangote, may they not buy salt, may they not buy spaghetti, may they not buy this. Who you do? Now yourself you still do, because that is the plain truth. Whether you buy, you not buy, a source of income doesn't really come from us, because he have other things he refine and he do. What I think we should do is holding him accountable, being responsible for the damages his reckless drivers, whom they did not scrutinize properly, the damage they have caused. If we all feel hold Dangote accountable this time, say yes, wetin this person do so, he take responsibility, other people go learn. If we start with Dangote, we enter into politicians. You promise to do this, come and do it. The rule of law must stand. We have a constitution that is binding us. If we feel they do all these kind of things, Nigeria will become a better place. But not be one person work, not be two people work, but everybody work. The worst thing for Nigeria, not to allow Nigeria happen to you. This not be time to drag Phyna. This not be time to drag the baby papa. This not time on how everybody go come together or more. What be the demand? Let's make sure it takes responsibility. Well, una know say our mouth dey smell, but na my own opinion be that. Some person say cancel Dangote, do this one, do that one. You when don't check this video, do you think it's better to cancel? How many cancel you fit cancel? How many? How many people you fit cancel? Responsibility make people responsible. If everybody fit call out, say, Dangote do this one, make all the victims they start to they come out. In begin take responsibility. Imagine, I never even talk of the bike man when he buy. Make a family come aside. Make everybody stand up. You will see from this one, changes will begin come. Before they give anybody job, they go assess them properly, thereby reducing the rate of accidents on the road. So my people, make una tell us what you know and think for the comment section. That now waiting me, I get to contribute. I'm not going to drag anybody. Anybody when I can drag, go still give them as it take. So guys, I will see you on